Oh yeah, feel we should. Le ama-free bet, yeah, shosha yona. Then I will draw the bet. 53 rand yana sepetshile. So singayi-scratcha yi. So short draw. So guys, you see, I'm gonna be watching soccer tonight. If I'm not watching my kids, Sheba Diski, 27, 72. Cabang if both these teams are score, draw, then the home. This one is swag. I don't worry, the next one dog, I'll try look for high odds though. I'll find the highest odds.
Yes, Makala, you know what's the winning one? I'm taking out of channel.
Yebo. Ngiyaphila. Yeah.
And I checked your video on YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm so interested in this thing. Yeah, when I hear now what last minute work, I don't know, it's registration or a joining fee, something like that.
Okay.
Yeah, how? I want to know more about this thing, trading.
Okay, so let me get the list quick. So we have like trading sessions, so our office is currently in Soweto, but we do have companies we're working with in Sentin. So sometimes the sessions are is in Sentin. Like you're gonna see the videos that are gonna come out. So we charge like 50 rand per day, like to come to our office. Then for a one-on-one session, we charge like 500 for like the course that we sell. Then for the strategy that we have, we sell it for like 900. So that's how we're currently operating. Then we wanna introduce like more stuff in the second quarter of the year. But currently that's all the things we're doing. So our office is in Rockville, so that's the one for 50 rand a day. So usually we do it fundamentals. Like this Friday, Kobale NFP. So NFP, if you're a beginner, NFP means it happens every first Friday of the month. So they tell you of how many people got jobs about in a certain country and stuff like that. So that's where Bataba it's like channel in like few like 19 minutes because when those rings come out. So those type of sessions is 50 rand because we don't teach, we just give signal and we just have a session. And then where we have like one-on-one, that's like 500 and it's only like for 2 weeks. Then we have like all your questions. If you have questions or okay, you want to trade, let's say any questions we answer them in that 2 weeks. We give you a strategy. We give you like, what can I say, like a simple entry strategy. In that within that 2 weeks we teach you, and then like once you advanced and stuff, like maybe you feel like that strategy is good, but maybe a strategy session because the one we're gonna give you is for forex. So the one that mostly works on gold is the one we're selling for 900, and people use it for like Nasdaq sometimes. So yeah, that's the current offers that we have.
Now, because I'm not into everything.
Yeah, we can do it online, maybe Zoom or I'm not sure. Yeah, we can do Zoom or what's the Google Meet.
Google Meet, I think Zoom is that one can work. The other one, I don't know about it.
Okay,
So,
then since you're not in Gauteng, we can even maybe make a favor for you to say we can like maybe make some videos on our YouTube that are dedicated on things that you don't understand. Maybe 1 or 2 videos that will just dedicate them for you. That you'll even get those videos on like before they get to our YouTube. Then yeah.
So so the fees is going to be the same.
Yeah, it's still gonna be the same.
So now, in other words, you said for the video is going to be 500 or 900.
No, 500 for 2 weeks. That's when we have like sessions. It's gonna be like maybe 3 days. Let's say usually it's Tuesday to Thursday. But let's say you are not available on Tuesday. We can make it Monday, Wednesday, Thursday. That one was 500. It's for 2 weeks. And then in that 2 weeks, we discuss the things that you don't understand. Or like the things like, for example, you're gonna ask what's Forex. I need to explain to you. If you don't understand, I must still explain until you see. So in that 2 weeks, we go according to things that you wanna like learn. And then the one of 900 is the strategy. So since you're not here in Joburg, that's why I'm saying AR 500. I can make a dedicated video for you also on our YouTube. Yeah.
So I need to pay first, isn't it?
Yeah. But you can pay 50% before and then you can pay 50% when you're happy with the service, because that's how much faith we have in our services. Because then like if 2 weeks AR fail and you are not happy, you don't need to pay the rest, because that's how sure that we like our service. Because you see, because what if 2 weeks AR fail and then you're not happy? So
Okay, do you want to?
always.
If Glacier, I'll have to get you in this number again.
Yes.
So that you can give me the details.
Okay.
Where to pay and all those things. The other thing, you can trust you because it's yellow, my brother.
We making videos every day at 5 on our YouTube. Just search dollar dates, you'll see it. So like even in our videos we show transparency and stuff. So yeah, so I don't know, like that's why I was saying if you are in Joburg, you can come to our offices, because a lot of these scammers you meet them in Boma McDonald's and that's why they scam people. So Tina, we even have an office where you come. Even currently right now, if you're in Joburg at send location, come here. Or if you have someone in Joburg, you can send them to our office. They can see our office where we're based or things like that, you see, even before you send the money, because a lot of people just rush for money. So Tina, we can establish trust before that, you see.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, once I'm fine, I'll just contact you first so that we can deal with the other matters.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, no thanks.
Thank you.
Okay, sure.